2900, target moving slowly southeast.
Copy that. Adjusting course now. Maintaining position.
The target is right there, 20 meters down.
Confirmed. We are ready for deployment.
The ROV's brush is meticulously clearing the sediment, revealing the extent of the damage and the original markings beneath the deep-sea decay.
We have a strong return at 40 meters, correlating with the visual anomaly on the ROV feed, confirming coordinates now.
The sonar confirms the fuselage is intact near the tail rotor.
Yes, the Mi-24 model shows minimal impact damage.
All right, easy now. Keep the tension steady.
Holding at 50 meters. Ropes clear on the starboard side.
The array is drifting east. I'm correcting the trajectory now.
Position looks good. We have a solid lock on the transponder.
Descent rate holding steady at 10 meters per minute.
Confirmed. Lights look good. We have visual on the rotor assembly.
Scan shows significant pitting at frame 42, confirming micro cracks on the tail boom structure.
ROV is using manipulator arms to gently blow low-pressure water over her fuselage, exposing metal faded paint.
Bridge, confirm position. Are the thrusters active? Affirmative. Engine room reports full power, holding steady against the current.
We have detachment. Suction brake confirmed.
Steady ascent. Maintain pressure on the forward bags.
The pitting on the starboard side is worse than expected.
Noted. The iridescent deposits seem stable for now.
Watch the starboard side, the corrosion is severe there.
Roger that. Crane, bring it down slowly. We are clear for the lift.
Steady as she goes. Watch the rotation on the starboard side. Easy now, bring it up another 5 meters.
Log that pitting on the starboard side fuselage near the deposit.
Already marked it on the schematic. Checking the depth now.
Console reading steady, descent rate holding at 0.05 meters per minute.
Roger that. Visually clear on the starboard side.
Watch the tether slack on the port aft.
Easy now. Keep it steady.
3 meters back, confirming descent.
Easy now, clear on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Holding steady at 5 meters.
Hold it there. We have some movement on the starboard side.
Okay, easing the tension now.
Looks stable.
We have critical stress developing at the main rotor connection. The buoyancy is fluctuating.
I see it. The load is shifting starboard. Adjusting the tension parameters now.
The aged texture is preserving well under the new coat.
Agreed. The system is performing perfectly.
The polymerization seals the corrosion here.
It's remarkable work. Are the fuselage mounts stable now?
Yes, completely stabilized. We've managed to align the main rotor to within 1/2 degree of the specification.
That aligns with the historical photos we have from the Afghan period.
Look at this detail under the magnifier. It lines up perfectly with the schematic.
Yes, and the caliper measurement confirms the thickness. This rotor assembly variant was utilized primarily in the early 80s.
That aligns with the Block 23 upgrades shown here on the blueprint.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side, slow it down slightly.
Roger, slowing to 2 meters per minute. All clear overhead.